Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited to have you here today. If you're a busy professional like me, finding the time to prepare a nutritious lunch can feel pretty impossible. Between meetings, deadlines, and the constant hustle, it's easy to just grab something unhealthy or skip lunch altogether. But don't worry, today I'm sharing some quick and healthy lunch ideas that you can prep ahead for an easy workday meal. These recipes are designed to save you time and keep you energized throughout the day. First up, we have the classic mason jar salad. This is a fantastic option because it's portable, customizable, and stays fresh for days. These are a game changer. You can make a few of these on Sunday night and have your lunches ready for the entire week. Start with your dressing at the bottom, then layer in your hearty vegetables like cucumbers and bell peppers. This way, your greens stay crisp and fresh. Add your grains like quinoa or brown rice and top it off with leafy greens. You can also add some protein like chickpeas or grilled chicken to make it more filling. Seal it up, shake it when you're ready to eat, and you've got a fresh salad that won't get soggy. It's perfect for a quick, healthy lunch at your desk. Next on the list is a chicken and veggie wrap. This is another great option for a nutritious and portable lunch. Simply grill some chicken breasts and chop up your favorite veggies. Think spinach, bell peppers, and avocado. You can even add some shredded carrots or red cabbage for extra crunch and color. Grab a whole grain tortilla, spread some hummus or Greek yogurt, add your chicken and veggies and roll it up. You can also add a sprinkle of feta cheese or a dash of hot sauce for extra flavor. These wraps are perfect to grab and go, making them a fantastic option for lunch at your desk. They're also great for picnics or a quick meal between meetings. Another great option is overnight oats. These are incredibly versatile and can be customized to your taste. Don't let the name fool you, these aren't just for breakfast. They make a great lunch or even a snack. Mix rolled oats, almond milk, a bit of Greek yogurt, and chia seeds in a jar. You can also add some protein powder if you want an extra boost. Add your favorite fruits and a drizzle of honey, then leave it in the fridge overnight. You can also add nuts, seeds, or a spoonful of nut butter for added texture and flavor. By morning, you'll have a delicious, healthy meal ready to take to the office. It's a great way to start your day or keep you going through the afternoon. Let's not forget about the protein-packed Buddha bowl. This is a nutrient-dense meal that's both satisfying and delicious. This is one of my personal favorites. It's colorful, flavorful, and packed with nutrients. Start with a base of brown rice or quinoa. You can also use cauliflower rice if you're looking for a low-carb option. Add roasted chickpeas, steamed broccoli, shredded carrots, and sliced avocado. You can also add some edamame or tofu for extra protein. Top it off with a sprinkle of sesame seeds and a drizzle of tahini sauce. You can also add a squeeze of lemon or lime juice for a bit of zest. This bowl is as nutritious as it is satisfying. It's a great way to get a variety of nutrients in one meal. Finally, if you're really pressed for time, try a simple veggie stir-fry. This is a quick and easy option that you can whip up in no time. You can prepare this in advance and reheat it at work. It's a great way to have a hot homemade meal without the hassle. Just stir-fry a mix of your favorite veggies like bell peppers, snap peas and carrots with some tofu or chicken. You can also add some mushrooms or baby corn for extra flavor, add a bit of soy sauce or teriyaki, and serve it over brown rice. You can also add some sesame oil or chili flakes for a bit of heat. There you have it. 5 quick and nutritious lunches that are perfect for busy professionals. These meals are designed to be easy to prepare and delicious to eat. With a little bit of prep, you can enjoy a healthy meal every workday without the stress. Meal prepping can save you time and money, and it ensures you're eating something nutritious. Try these recipes out and let me know which one is your favorite in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and any variations you come up with. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on how to make your busy life a little easier. Your support means a lot and helps me create more content for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and happy meal prepping.